I joined as assistant designer under Arvind Joshua. He's a costume designer cum cine designer. So the basic theme is nothing but is a Tritva Khadi is a boutique where we do only khadi designs. Khadi, as you know, it's a hand spun and handloom product. Hand spun is in the sense the cotton which is spun from the charka actually. So that's the main thing is khadi. The total concept is eco-friendly and he take all the fabrics from all states of all districts from AP, from Chebrol, Rajmundry, everything he take the fabric, and the total production goes under in the boutique. And we have the tailors, and the total designing is done by Sir. Tritva Khadi is a boutique which is located in phase 5, Kukatpalli phase 5, Malaysian Township backside. So we do crochet works from Narsapur will be means manufacture will be done on Narsapur, and we just add little block printing, applique works, patchworks to the khadi, which like emphasizes the khadi look, and it gives a dignity to the people to wear. And main concept is the corporate wear the ladies who do IT sectors who are employees. Ranges actually it starts from 700 minimum price is 700, 800. Above is 1500 The max is 1500, 1400 ranges. Have categories like in women wear we have skirts, tops, short tops, maxi length tops, and we have this children wear also, small children wear, and we have bags, potli bags, the sling bags you can see, and all type of short tops are also available. We have men's category too, kurtas and men's shirts also available. The waistcoats are also available. Any kind of thing what we require in our daily life is everything is available, sir. So if you it's better if you come to boutique, we can customize this also. Customization is also available in our boutique according to your color, according to your personality. Everything will design and give you. If you want, we can do maggam on kalam khadi. We're just doing that experimentation is going on in boutique. We just come up with all those designs according to you.